In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a camcorder effect in CapCut Pro. Let's get started. Open CapCut Pro and create a new project. Tap the import button and select the video you want to edit. Once imported, add it to the track. After that, tap on the Effects tab. Under the Video Effects, use the search bar to look for the camcorder effect. Browse through the available presets and select the one that you like. Click the Add button to add it to the track. Drag the edges of the effect layer to match the video's duration. Next, to make the effect more dynamic, consider adding a filter. Go to the Filter tab and explore the different categories. For this tutorial, let's add a retro filter. Once selected, click to add it to the track and drag the edges to match the video's duration. After that, use the intensity slider in the toolbar to adjust how strong the filter appears. Once you're done, preview your video to see the camcorder effect in action. Once satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your project. And that's it! You've successfully created a camcorder effect in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!